The heading says equation of plane in normal form. We are going to talk about vector equation of plane in this video. So the vector equation of plane can be termed out as r vector dot n cap is equal to d vector. This you have to remember. R vector is the position vector of any arbitrary point on the plane, and you see that n vector is normal to the plane. You have d, which is taken as the distance from the origin. So this is very relevant in context to what we are going to see the questions like. This is known as the vector equation. Not only do we have vector equation, we also have Cartesian equation that we'll see in the next video. The other thing, this n vector is the unit vector, so you have to take care of its magnitude and everything. I remember me telling you the definition of unit vector. So unit vector, I hope you know that. Then r vector is the position vector. Again, you have to visualize what is a position vector. We have studied position vector before. So with this knowledge, we'll be seeing some questions on vector equation too. Also, we'll know what is the Cartesian equation of a plane in normal form in the next video.